Welcome back to my Mix on the channel, and today we have my assistant Brittany! Boom!
So Dean, what are we making today?
Watermelon margaritas.
Let's do the damn thing.
Let's get it done. 5 pieces of watermelon inside the glass, and we're gonna start it. Okay. Put some more inside. You know, we want to get watermelon juicy, tasty. You want to taste the watermelon.
6 enough?
Put more inside. Let's put more inside.
We're so picky.
Model everything together, get the juice, extract the juice. You see what she's doing right here? Guys, she's extracting the juice from the watermelon to get it juicy and nice and to get the taste of the watermelon. Remember, it's a watermelon margarita. Okay. You know what? Put some more inside. We want to get it like really watermelon. Okay?
Put the whole bowl.
No, that's perfect. Just put some more. Yeah, that's it. Beautiful. Woo! Yeah, nice. We're gonna go and get our ice right here. We're gonna put some ice inside. Ice inside, just like that.
So tequila.
So tequila. Tequila.
2 ounces.
Fill it all the way to the top. All the way to the top. Oh, what's going on with that shot glass? It's not. Let's fill it up. Beautiful. Yeah. Inside. You know, I put one more on the inside. Just let's fill it up. You know what I mean? Let's get the party started. What's going on here?
So we're gonna get drunk tonight?
Okay, normally we use 2 ounces, but we just put some more inside because we're feeling good. Okay, guys, let's understand. Simple as that. Okay?
And then 1 ounce of the triple.
I'm gonna put 1 ounce of the triple sec inside. Just like that. And then I'm gonna go and put some sweet and sour. 1.5 ounce sweet and sour. Agave. Instead of simple, using agave syrup. Okay? It's coming from Mexico. Tequila. Bam. Just like that. And then, what I'm gonna do? What should I do with this now, Brittany?
Can you please do your Jamaican shake?
Woo! I was waiting for that! Oh! Should I shake it more?
Yes.
Alrighty. Woo! This smells so good. Oh my gosh. That's perfect. Woo! You do better than me. Oh my gosh, you're like pro right there. Oh man! Can you put some ice in the glass for me? Woo! Beautiful. Nice. Woo! Look at this watermelon margarita. Woo! Can you put some garnish inside? Like nice piece of watermelon and throw it inside? Just drop it inside of it. Nice. Just throw it inside the glass. Yeah, throw one more piece inside and put your line there. Beautiful. Woo! This piece right here is more nice and sexy. Look what we got, guys, today. Look at this. You know what? Brittany, can you do the honor? Let me know. Tell me what it is. Oh my God! Look at this thing right here. It's massive.
Seriously.
Ooh, it's running over.
That is really good.
How is it?
Very delicious.
Oh, look what we have.
It's very strong, but very delicious.
Listen. Thank you for visiting our channel and see you next time.
Bye.
Brittany!